Welcome to Leaseweb Tech Demos. In this video, we'll walk you through the quick and easy process of configuring your Kubernetes cluster. Whether you're just getting started or fine-tuning your setup, we'll show you how to get your cluster up and running in just a few simple steps. Once you've signed up for the service, the first thing you'll want to do is configure your cluster. You'll start by selecting your preferred Kubernetes version, choosing the size of your node pool, and setting the number of workers. Don't forget to enter your whitelisted IPs so you can securely manage your cluster. The provisioning takes about 5 minutes, and once it's done, your cluster will be ready to go. And that's it, your cluster is now set up and ready for action. Thanks for watching this Leaseweb Tech demo. If you're interested in more tips or need additional guidance, stay tuned for our next videos or get in touch with us directly.